Hello and welcome to another iPages video. In this video, I'll give you a brief overview on how to create your very own contact form. Let's get started. So first we'll go to New, Contact Form, and we'll give it a title, so I'll call this Get in Touch. And we click OK. And here you'll see a bunch of options. So we'll want to send an email to our email account. So I'll go ahead and type this in. We can leave the next one and move on to the email subject, of which I'll put in a new message from your website. We can display a message once the user has filled in the contact form, or alternatively we can redirect them to another page on the site. And we click Save Changes. Next, we'll head over to the form builder where we can begin to build our form. So if I go to Form Builder and I give my elements a width of 300 pixels, and I'll display the labels inside the form inputs. We can leave the float arrows left, and I'll click Save. And as you can see, we have our element toolkit to the right, which allows us to drag in all of the elements that we may need. For this, I'll just use a simple text box, email box, text area box, and a submit button. We'll want to rename the elements so that it makes sense to our users. So I'll go ahead and do this now. For the text box, I'll call it name. For the email box, I'll call it email. For the text area, I'll put message. And for the submit button, I'll put send. And now if we head over and click the Get in Touch page again, you'll see we have our contact. It looks a bit basic, so I'll go ahead and add some text to the top. You may wish to do the same and decide to include your address and telephone number. It's worth noting that you should be cautious when providing your email address, as this could be used to spam you. I'll go ahead and click Edit, click Description, and put in my desired text. And then I'll go ahead and click Save Changes. And there you have it. You should now be able to create your own contact form and add your basic content. See you next time.